Hey guys, welcome. Hi. So we light a koi se. Hi. So we are back with another couple edition video. Say hi.
हेलो
So मैंने Instagram पे actually story post किया था to my Instagram followers that they have to send me some of the product names that women use and Kaushik will guess the products. If not guess the product name, at least you can tell like वो product कहाँ कहाँ use होता है,
Okay.
like how we use the products.
ओके
Okay, and I'm glad that he's not that active on Instagram. Otherwise, he would have asked me or bugged me about क्या है वो product names, and like I just told him few days back about this video. So he was like मेरा पोपट होने वाला है, I'm sure, because उसको zero knowledge है about the products. And I mean zero knowledge. He doesn't know anything. He just know his office work. Am I right?
लेट्स सी
Okay. And also I have few products with me so that it becomes easier for him to guess the products. So yeah, let's start. Okay. देखना मत. Okay. First is this product. इसे क्या बोलते हैं? क्या है ये actually? क्या लगा सकते हैं?
मेकअप
Okay, go ahead.
मे
You're almost there.
बी स्प्रेड मेकअप
Oh, I didn't expect that. Okay, और बता उसको बोलते क्या है?
आई डोंट नो
Okay, so makeup spread करते हैं. Okay, it's almost there. It is called as beauty blender. Okay,
ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर
yeah. Okay, fine. Next one. What is this? Okay, what is this? Guess करो थोड़ा सा. इतना सोचने का क्या है? जो आ रहा है दिमाग में वो बोलो.
ड्रॉपर
Dropper.
नो आइडिया
कुछ भी आइडिया नहीं है. मतलब इसको देख के तुम्हें क्या लगता है? क्या हो सकता है?
कोई सम लिक्विड इसको ड्रॉप कर सकते हैं
एनी गेस जो दिमाग में जो आ रहा है बोलो बस.
नो आइडिया नो आइडिया
दिस कॉल्ड एज मेंस्ट्रुअल कप.
फॉर व्हाट
इसे मतलब विमेन की वेजाइना के अंदर डालते हैं. ओके, सो व्हेन शी इज ऑन हर पीरियड्स. ओके अरे व्हेन शी इज ऑन हर पीरियड्स द ब्लड मतलब इसमें फिल हो जाता है एंड देन उसके बाद वी कैन जस्ट pour it over the टॉयलेट के अंदर and you can keep reusing this.
गॉट इट
Okay, menstrual cup.
menstrual cup
Okay, what is this?
this is bra
Not bra.
lingerie
It is a part of lingerie, but उसको exactly बोलते क्या है?
bra
I have with me one of them.
needle
It's kind of this. I wore this in Goa. अरे मैंने बोला था I'm wearing this. It can be worn under jacket as well. क्या है?
bra
Bra तो है. Not actually bra.
sports bra
It's bralette.
bralette okay
Okay, it can be worn under the jacket or it can be worn with jeans, कुछ भी.
okay
Okay, bralette.
bralette
Okay, fine. What is this?
razor
Okay, go ahead.
razor
किसके लिए यूज करते हैं ये रेजर? It's not a usual razor जो हम लोग यूज करते हैं. Can you see its blade? It's like कहाँ फंस गया?
अरे it's a razor you can इसको हाथ में
हाथ में
पाँव
not
में।
exactly. मतलब it's a very delicate product. इतना रफ यूज नहीं कर सकते जो हम लोग अदर रेजर के साथ करते हैं.
I don't know exactly
It's a face razor
face razor
or eyebrow.
okay
I mean I use it mostly. I had it. I know कहाँ रखी हूँ मैं. So I use it most often because I don't thread. I don't go for threading. So I just मतलब I use this to remove my extra parts. So या फिर मेरे face के लिए. So eyebrow razor
Eyebrow razor.
or face razor, anything. What is this?
This is bad.
अरे it's not bad. I have with me this. It's this small. How can it be bad?
Any hints?
हाँ, it can be worn as a pad. But इसको बोलते क्या है and how is it different from the normal pads?
No idea.
It's called panty liner.
Panty liner.
Okay.
Panty liner.
हाँ, the difference is that जो लोग the pads that we use normally, we use them during a normal period flow. जिनका heavy flow होता है, they use pads. and जिनका less flow होता है, they can use this panty liners. Or for example me, when I use this during my last day of my period, because उसमें less flow होता है. And another hack, fashion hack, it can be used like as a क्या कैसे बोले, हाँ जिनका आर्मपिट में ज़्यादा स्वेटिंग होती है तो they can stick them on the cloth and the sweat will be absorbed. तो अगर कोई ऐसे हाथ उठाता है so that patch जो नहीं आता है बहुत लोगों के, तो that this panty liner will absorb it.
Okay.
Another hack. Okay. This. It's very easy. You have seen in my bathroom as well. ये वाला.
Yeah, it is used.
एक ये निकल गया है. Anyways.
It is used while
क्या?
you take a bath.
Of course. बाथरूम में है तो बात मतलब not exactly बाथरूम में है तो बात के लिए यूज़ होगा. And we don't use it every day. कुछ किसी चीज़ के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं? अरे ट्राई तो करो. Try it at least. It's like मेरे से नहीं होगा. I already given up. अरे भाई नहीं यहाँ पे नहीं. Why will you use it on your arms?
Face.
खराब हो जाएगा तुम्हारा फेस. पागल हो गया.
और कहाँ यूज कर सकते हैं इसको?
It's a foot cleaner
Foot.
or scrubber.
Okay.
Pedicure के टाइम पे it's normally used. Okay, tell me one thing. What you prefer? Like a woman properly groomed going to parlor most often, या फिर a woman मतलब जो इतना groom नहीं है and मतलब चलता है everything.
I don't mind.
Seriously.
Both.
Oh please, he's just being nice and polite in front of the camera, but ऐसा नहीं है. बताओ.
Both. I would prefer first, but okay. I don't know. I'm already married. I don't need to marry other person.
हाँ, okay. How would you prefer me? Like as a groomed woman or non-groomed?
Generally groomed.
See, बाहर आया ना. Okay. This. What is this called? I have with me.
For
Okay, इसमें लगा हुआ है तो इसी you can guess it now.
for your eyebrows.
देखो try करो eyebrows में. Try
Yes,
करो.
for your this one. क्या बोलते हैं इसको?
Eyebrows. क्या है?
Shades, eye shades. What do you call this?
क्या बोलते हैं इसको?
क्या बोलते हैं?
It's called eyelash curler.
Eyelash.
You can just
Eyelashes.
curl your lashes to increase the volume. मेरे lashes बहुत कम है, इसके बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो I would need this more. Okay, next one. What is this? ये मैं यूज़ करती हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा, मतलब जब यूज़ करना होता है.
Where? When?
Why should I tell you that? This is this. I have with me.
During your periods.
अरे मतलब उसको बोलते क्या है, व्हाट इज दिस कॉल्ड? इसमें कुछ लिखा नहीं है बाय द वे, तो डोंट व्हाट इज दिस कॉल्ड एंड कैसे यूज करते हैं? What's this? कुछ
इसको क्या बोलते हैं? I don't know.
टिक वन, आई काउंट 5 2 3 4 and 5 tampons.
Tampons. Okay.
So it's almost similar to menstrual cup, but I prefer this because it's much more easier to use than menstrual cup. So yeah.
Tampon.
Isn't the difference is that it soaks the blood and you cannot use it more than 6 hours. So you have to just take it out after 6 hours or before that. So okay, next one. What is this? ये तो तुम्हें पता ही होगा.
Eyelashes.
Eyelashes है लेकिन
Fake eyelashes.
yes 1.5 नहीं और नहीं, I would give 2.5. You almost guessed few of the products. 2.5. Fake eyelashes. It's this. I have with me one. Why to use fake eyelashes if you already have eyelashes?
If you have small eyelashes.
क्या small eyelashes? हाँ, of course. मतलब मेरे बहुत कम है. I generally use it during my makeup videos. So उसने देखा है तो that's why you can guess it. What is this? What is this? बोलो.
No idea.
ये हम लगाते हैं अपने बॉडी पे.
Nipple.
Almost there.
Nipples में.
हाँ? क्या?
Nipple में.
निपल में हाँ लेकिन ओके फाइन ऑलमोस्ट देयर करेक्ट. इट्स अ सिलिकॉन निपल कवर. मतलब women who wear backless dresses or anything, so we use this so that मतलब bra strap ना दिखे. Okay, I don't have with me right now. Okay, what is this?
Hint.
It's a piece of cloth. Again, tick tick 1,
Piece of clothing कहाँ पहनते?
2,
Undergarments.
3, no, 4 and 5. It's a cleavage cover.
Okay.
मतलब जिनके कपड़ों में डीप नेकलाइन है तो we can use this to cover a cleavage.
Okay.
Okay. What's this? This is very easy for you, I guess.
क्या
I
है?
have it. Okay, I will not show this. उसमें नाम लिखा हुआ है तो I will not show it. I will show it later.
Glossy.
I will show it to you later. It is the last product.
Any
So
hints?
give it your best.
Any hint?
इससे क्या हो सकता है बताओ.
Eyebrows.
Eyebrows. तुम why are you so obsessed with the eyebrows?
Lips.
Lipstick कैसे हो सकता है?
लिपस्टिक नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैं. Lips.
Lips.
Lips. लिपस्टिक लिप्स में लगाते हैं.
Lips में कैसे लगाएंगे इसको? It's a mascara
मस्कारा क्या करते हैं?
for eyelashes.
तो आई बोला था
तो तुमने बोला eyebrow, not eyelash.
यार. Eyelash.
It's this. मैं छुपा के रखा था इसे because इसमें लिखा हुआ है. It's this. So mascara. First use mascara or first use eyelash curler and then use mascara to make it look more, to give it more volume to the lashes. So it was the last product and out of 5, no, out of 10, I would give you 2.5.
Fail.
Fail, but I didn't expect कि तुमको 2 भी मिलेगा और 1 भी मिलेगा. I didn't expect that.
Thank you.
But yeah, you did well. So I guess you got a lot of knowledge about women's product. Almost, because दुनिया में और भी products है women के जो बने हुए हैं. And these are nothing. There are more products.
Yeah.
तो अगर उसको उनको guess करने जाओगे तो I don't know तुम कितना guess कर पाओगे. So how was the session? Like how did you feel? You liked it? You got
Yes. Very
knowledge?
very informative.
Informative. तो तुमको next time अगर पूछेंगे तो you remember?
Yeah.
Sure.
Sure.
So shall we do part 2?
After some time.
After some time. At least he gave me the permission. Okay, so that was it. Hope you liked the video, and if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and
Subscribe.
yes. So bye bye.